Fusion 360 or Solidworks, which CAD software reigns supreme? Let's break it down. Both are powerhouse tools for 3D modeling, but they cater to different needs. Fusion 360 by Autodesk is cloud-based, affordable, and great for hobbyists, startups, or in collaborative teams. Solidworks by Dassault Systems is the industry standard for precision engineering, especially in the aerospace and automotive industries. Fusion 360 shines with its all-in-one approach, CAD, CAM, simulation, and cloud collaboration in one package. It's subscription-based, starting at around $500 a year, and runs on Mac or PC. Perfect for rapid prototyping and small businesses. Solidworks, though, is the go-to for detailed assemblies and large-scale projects. It's robust with unmatched parametric modeling and simulation, but it's pricier. Think $4,000 for a license plus maintenance fees, and it's Windows only. Ease of use? Fusion 360's interface is beginner-friendly with a shorter learning curve. Solidworks takes time to master but offers deeper control for pros. Collaboration? Well, Fusion's cloud storage makes sharing a breeze. Solidworks relies on local files or add-ons like PDM. Posts on X show mixed opinions. Fusion 360 wins for cost and flexibility, but SolidWorks fans swear by its precision and reliability. So, which is better? If you're a freelancer, student, or small team, Fusion 360's price and versatility are hard to beat. For enterprise-level engineering, SolidWorks is king. Choose based on your project scale, and team needs. What's your pick? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let's keep designing the future.